So welcome. If you're watching this video, you're at the activity where we're just clapping through the rhythms of the clave and the rhythms of son around those the two different clave patterns. So the activity is going to be based on these two clave patterns to begin with. We have the 3-2 clave and we have the 2-3 clave. The reason they're 3-2s in the 3-2 clave, we have 3 pulses in the first bar and then 2 pulses in the second bar, i.e. 3-2, and then the 2-3 clave is the same pattern but just reversed. So 2 pulses in the first bar and 3 in the second bar, 2-3. The claves sound like this when we play them. I'll play the 2-3 just to begin with. It sounds like this. Play those again for you so you can hear them. Okay. Okay. The 3-2 clave, or the 2-3 clave, the remaining one, sounds like this. So one person is going to be playing through those 2 clave rhythms. The second person in your group is going to have a look at these 4 rhythms. These 4 rhythms are typical Cuban rhythmic patterns, and they belong to different instruments within a small Cuban ensemble, or a typical son music ensemble. The tumbao is played by the double bass, the martillo is played by the congas, the cascara is played by the timbales, and the cinquillo is played by the cowbell. Those different rhythms sound like this. We're just going to concentrate on these bottom 3 here. This one you should be able to clap on your own. It's just 4 crotchets. It's ta, 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 depending on where your pulse is. The congas pattern, or the martillo, sounds like this. Might just slow that down a little bit. Play it again. So you'll notice that there are 6 low quavers and 2 high quavers. The low quavers sound for the bigger conga drum, the lower pitched conga drum, and the higher pitches are for the higher pitched conga drums. You typically have a pair of congas in an ensemble. You can hear them here. And here are the 2 high pitches. Here they are again. Low pitches, high pitches. The cascara sounds like this. And the cinquillo, which is for cowbell, sounds like this. When you put them all together, we'll play them with just one of the clave patterns. I'll start with the 2-3 clave pattern to begin with, so I'll just mute the 3-2. When you put them all together, it sounds like this. Sounds a little better if you once you start putting some tempo into it. It does sound a little better. And then once you start putting some harmonic instruments on top of that, it sounds better again. So have a go at playing those particular rhythms. You can download the Cuban Rhythms exercise GarageBand file. So this file here is this file here. Hopefully you should be able to click on it and it'll download it for you as a GarageBand file, and you can play that as you practice in a pair, and it might be able to help you get a grasp of the rhythms. So have a go at playing through those rhythms, and I'll come around, I'll have a listen and see how you're going.